So guys, here you see one more admin came on the LeetCode Camp channel, and in today's video we are solving our 437 question by the name of part sum 3. Okay, so this is our question number 437 which we are solving in today's video. So please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. So let me move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, here you can see it. One more video had been came on the LeetCode Camp solving video, and there's a 437 question part sum 3. Okay, so let's start to solve it. And first of all, we drag and drop this question into our Word file to solve this. Okay, so let me copy my question and let me drag and drop into the Word file. When I drag and drop into the Word file, so let me give m to the font. Okay, let me give the font to the Poppins. So let's start. Now, let's see. Now it is saying me, given the root of a binary tree and an integer target sum. Now, our task is we want to return the number of paths where the sum of the values along the path equals to target sum. This our task. We return the numbers of paths where the sum of the values along the path equals to target sum. So this is our task in today's solving video. Now this is the first question. So let's read our second question. Now, the path does not need to start or end at the root or a leaf, but it must go downwards. For example, traveling only from parent nodes to child nodes. Okay. Now, let's see the case 1. This one example 1, it has been given me like 10, it is the main number is 10 here. Here you can see it. The main number is 10. Let me give them to the wait like that. Now the main is 10, here you can see it. Then 10 is gone to the 5 and then 3 minus 3. Then minus 3 has gone to the 11 and 5 is gone to the 2 and 3, and then 3 gone to the 3 and then 2 minus 2. It is going downwards and 2 is come downwards into the 1. So here he created one circles. If you see, like in the 3 and 11, here he created one circle. Then 5 in the 5 and 3, here he created one circle. Then in 5 to 1, here he created one circle. Okay, and 3 and 2 is out of the circle. There is not any circle. Here you can see there are such type of circle. Why? Because here he created one integer by the name of root, in which he write 10, 5, minus 3, 3, 2, null, 1, 11, 3, minus 2, null, 1. And here he created one more integer by the name of target sum, in which he write 8. And output will be coming 3. Because the paths that sum to are 8 are shown. Okay. 5, 3, then 5, 2, 1, then 3, 11. Okay. And this one case 1, here he create a one root integer by the name of root, in which he write 5, 4, 8, 11 null, then 13, 4, 7, 2 and null, and then 5, 1. And here he create a one integer by the name of target sum, in which he write 22. Now here in our case 2, our output will become 3, and in our case 1, our output will become 3 also. Okay, in both cases the output will become 3. So these are the constraints which we have used in today's video. So there are not any hint. Okay, there are not any hint which it has been given me. And let's see, the topic is on about tree, depth first search and binary tree. Okay, the topic is on about this 3. Okay, depth first search, binary tree and then tree. Okay, understand it. And then yes, now let's come on it here. Given the root of a binary tree and an integer target sum, then we return the number of the paths where the sum of the values along the path equals. Okay, let me reset the timer, and now let's start to write a code. So first of all, let me start it. And now first of all, you started from the beginning. Okay, from collections import default text. Okay, enter. 2 time enter. Define a one class by the name of tree node, and def init self comma val equals to 0 comma left equals to none, then comma, then right equals to none. Okay, then semicolon, then self dot val, then equals to vl, then self dot left equals to left. Okay, give the space equals to left, then self dot right equals to right. Then enter class solution, then semicolon, then enter. Now def path sum self comma root semicolon tree node comma target sum int, then minus greater than int. Now semicolon, okay, enter prefix sum count equals to default dict, then define here int means integer, then prefix sum count, then a square bracket 0 equals to 1. Here we in the 12th line, here we handle the cases where the entire path matches target sum. Okay, so that's why we define it. Now here we return our self.dfs root comma 0 comma target sum comma prefix sum count. Now enter. Now def dfs here we define, in which we write self comma node comma current sum, and sum s will be in capital, you must know that. Target sum comma prefix sum count. Okay, and then semicolon. Please write semicolon. We did not write semicolon, so it must be give you the error. Okay, in mostly cases it give you the error. Now define if statement, in which you write no, return 0, and 0 should be in space, then write a 0, enter backspace enter. Current sum plus equals to node.val. Then when you define a node.val, define here count prefix, and then sum count current sum slash target sum. Perfect. Enter. Now when you define enter 2 times, define here prefix sum count, then current sum, and sum as will be in capital, plus equals to 1. Now enter. Define here count plus equals to self. Okay, remove this all the things. Dot dfs node dot left, then comma current sum, and sum s will be in capital, then target sum, and target sum s will be in capital, then prefix sum s will be in capital, and c will also be in capital. Now do the same thing else, copy this 12th line of code and then paste it. Now when you paste it, define remove this left, right here right, and then target sum, and then now perfect. Okay, why that type of thing has been coming, what we can do now, prefix sum count, then current sum, and then minus equals to 1. If a statement prefix sum count, then current sum equals to 0, then semicolon. Del, define a del keyword, then prefix sum count, then current sum, and sum as will be in capital. Now back enter, then here we return our output, return count. Now when you see it, so okay, why this is coming, I do not submit it. Okay, by the mistake I submitted, so ignore it. So let's see the question, and then let's see about given the root of a binary tree and an integer target sum, then we return the number of paths where the sum of the values along the path equals. Okay, and these are the codes. Okay, let's read it. Given the root of a binary tree and an integer target sum, then we return the number of paths where the sum of the values along the path equals to a target sum. The path does not need to start or end at a root or a leaf, but it must go downwards, for example, traveling only from parent nodes to child nodes. Okay, in this diagram there is a parent 10 and it is going to the child nodes, like parent is 10, then it is going to the child node like 8, then 3, then the 8 child node has been came to the 3 and 2, then 3 is going to the child node 3 and minus 2, and 2 is going to the child node 1. Okay, so like that here you get one parent nodes to child node, it is going to parent nodes to child node. Here you can see in this diagram. So I think it is perfect. So let's run it. So when I run it, so here you can see our case is accepted. Our case 1 and case 2 is both are accepted. In our case 1, our output will be coming 3, and in our case 2 is my also output I will coming 3. So let's see the submission when I submit it. So it is judging. So here you can see it is perfect, and we come on our top section. Here you can see we solve it very easily as our 437 question by the name of path sum 3. Here you can see we solved this question very easily. Yes. So now let's come to my profile by the name of Rayyan. So go and view my profile. My profile name is Rayyan. So go and view it. But anyways, in today's video, I told you about how to solve this question. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all notification bell also. So you know I will have these type of videos on the channel. So let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.